Hello students, welcome to NeoTeach. This is Srinivas Brahmoji. In this video I am going to teach Goto statement. It is a small topic. So the Goto statement, how we are using and how we can work with the Goto statement, we will discuss in this video. So basically Goto statement is used to transfer the control or statement from one location to another location. So why we are saying here either control or statement transferring means, suppose a program is nothing but set of instructions. Say this is program. Example I am taking here, this is one program. Okay. So in this program some statements are there. Group of instructions or statements I am writing here. Example. These are the set of instructions. Okay. In my requirement, execution of first statement done, second done, third done. So after the third, I am going to execute the last statement. Okay. So now transferring the control from here to here. Okay. Transferring the control from here to here is the same way, or we can also say this the last statement transfer to here. So that's what I am saying here. Transferring the control, flow of execution of control from one place to another place, or transferring the statement from one place to another place, anything is same. So that's what we can say. This is Goto statement especially used to transfer the control from one location to another location. So this Goto statement is in two types. They are the first conditional Goto, means it depends on the condition, and unconditional Goto. So without depends on any condition, Goto statement is going to execute. So let's discuss out of these two. First one. So first one is conditional Goto statement. So what is this? The same like purpose. The conditional Goto statement is used to transfer the control or statement from one location to another location. It depends on a particular condition. So what it is, we will see the syntax. Simply we are writing some condition. Example I am taking if condition. Okay. So if the condition satisfy, then Goto statement is going to execute here. So like that, suppose whenever we are going to execute the some scenario, like if A is greater than B, okay, then go to A. Example like this. Okay, so go to print A, something like we are selecting A. So like this, we depends on the some condition we are executing somewhat. So for that we will see one program. So what is this? Write a program to demonstrate conditional Goto statement. So for this I want to go to like open any media, like either Dev C++ or let me execute this program in online compiler. So let me open browser, like online C compiler I want, online C compiler. So I am selecting this GDB online debugger or online C compiler here. So in this I want to write this program. So I am deleting this. Write a program to demonstrate conditional Goto statement. Okay. So for this we are writing like hash include, this is as usual, hash include stdio.h and int main or void main, anything is okay. Here I want to take some I value with a 1, initialization by 1. So next static block I am taking start. So our execution starts from here. Start is a static block. In this static block I want to write this output statement, printf. So %d \t, I want to print this I value. So I value is going to print in this %d. After that I is going to be increased. Then after that make sure that if I is less than or equals to 5, if I value is less than 5, I want to transfer statement like see go to start. I am transferring the execution control from 10th line. See here, we are in 10th line. This is the execution control. So from here, I want to transfer this control to 6th line, means to start block. So let me execute this. So run this program. See how it is came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what happening here, I will explain in this like white page or in any slide. So I will get back to slide. So what is the code actually? I wrote there static block I wrote, right? So let me explain here. So start block I wrote here, start block. Initially I take an integer, I value is 1. Okay. So what happened here, just printf. In the previous program, printf %d \t, that's I value printed. Okay. After printing this, I became increased, I equals to I plus, that means I become 2. So then after we make sure that if that I value is less than or equals to 5, if it is less than 5, then again go to start, okay. So like this is the main code here, what we are going to execute. So let me change the pen color. What happening here, see, I is equals to 1, it will take, done. First start block is going to execute, okay, done. Then after that in the start block, first statement is going to execute, that is %d. In place of %d, I value. What is that? I value 1. Okay, 1 printed. Then I became increase. So I equals to I plus 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. Now that 2 is less than 5, true. Then when the condition satisfied, the go to statement is going to execute. What is that? Go to start. So directly it is going to this area. The control will goes to start. Now again output statement, so that prints 2 because I value currently 2. Now I become 3 here, again 3, check with the condition, 3 less than 5, yes, true. Then again go to start, so it go to start, again 3 printed here. So after printing 3, again I value become 4, that 4 also check here, okay, 4 also check here. So now 4 is coming here, 4 less than 5, yes, true. Then again go to start. So one more time it is going to start. So again 4 printed here. So after printing 4, I become 5. Here the 4 became 5. So 5 is equals to 5 condition, true. Then again it goes to start place. So again 5 printed here. So after printing 5, I value became 6. Now it check with the 6, like see 6 less than or equal to 5, false. That time Goto will not execute, okay, Goto will not execute, so stop the program. So like this, depends on the particular condition, so the Goto is going to execute. So this is called as conditional Goto. Now so the second type is unconditional Goto. So what do you mean by unconditional Goto? There is no condition. The go to statement works as usual without depends on any condition. That means unconditional go to is used to transfer the control or statement from one location to another location without depends on any condition. So example, what? Directly go to statement, okay, directly go to statement. Simply we can mention example, what? Like go to end. So we are going to end of the program. Or else like previously we taken one static block na, so go to start, directly go to start block, okay. The same program also we can discuss here. See, write a program to demonstrate unconditional go to statement. For this again I want to go for online compiler. So for that same previous program I want to take, but I don't want to give the condition, so I will comment it. So I am not giving any condition, so otherwise I will remove or comment it, anything is okay. Now if I run this program, see, I am removing this condition, simply I am writing the program without depends on any condition, directly go to start, Okay, just you run. See what happening here, continuously executing, because there is no condition. So always the go to transfer the control to start block, always I value printing and increasing, I value printing increasing. So like that continuous process, like infinity. So infinity, actually as per the integer size we know that 65,536. Beyond that the scientific notation is come. So like it's going on the negative symbol, some like scientific notation also will print on that. So like it act as an infinite loop, remember. So like this we can work with that. So stop the program, right? So like this we work with the conditional and unconditional goto. Remember one thing, goto statement is available in C language. This is not available in Java or Python. So that's what we learn in C language only. This is the simple topic in C. That's what I given the separate video for goto statement. Thank you for watching.